Our precious students, this week marks our final week for this current school year. Before we let you go for summer break, we want to share our wishes for you.
My wish for my beautiful swans is that play will be a part of your daily routine during your time off. Play allows you to experience joy and build self-confidence. Let your imagination flow and keep playing. It's the greatest joy in life and keeps your mind ready for learning.
My wish for my amazing ducks is that you keep on dreaming and make sure you dream big. Remember, your dreams can come true only if you make them. Your dreams can be whatever you want them to be, so make sure your dreams are as special as you are.
My wish for my special trees is that you stay safe and healthy, that you remember to wash your hands regularly. To make sure you wash them correctly, lather up a lot of soap and hum the Twinkle Twinkle song 2 times from beginning to end. That way you will know you have washed correctly and will have fun at the same time.
My wish for my darling eagles is that you take care of yourself and of the people around you. From a safe distance, of course. School is important, but so is your health. We need you to stay healthy and be proud of yourself for being strong and staying at home, even though it can become boring. Keep it up, you're doing a great job.
My wish for my charming sparrows is that you eat healthy foods. Choose fruits and vegetables with bright and beautiful colors. Choose snacks that aren't full of chocolates and sugar. Eat the dinners that are cooked for you and enjoy all the healthy snacks you can.
My wish for my cute robins is that you let yourself be creative. Make some art. Even if it's just a pen and a paper, glue recycled things together to make a sculpture. Ask an adult to bake cookies and decorate them by yourself.
My wish for my magnificent seagulls is that you always have fun and keep being silly. Laugh and tell jokes, smile and be happy. Make funny memories and come back next year to share them with me and all your teachers.
My wish for my delightful geese is that you learn new things even if it's not me teaching it to you. Learn how to fix your bed, fold your clothes, learn how to write new words and add different numbers, learn how to make Play-Doh shapes and color inside the line. Keep learning new things and help you grow your brain.
Hello, my wish for my spunky quails is that you stay active even if we are staying home at this time. I hope you find ways to move your muscles, dance in front of the TV, exercise in your room, take a walk around your home, play with your family members and enjoy every minute.
My wish for my lovely roosters is that you be kind. We know being home is tough on everyone, so now is the time to dig deep and be kind. Be kind to your family member, help your parents with tasks around the house, clean up after yourself and try not to make a mess in your room.
My wish for my smashing pelicans is that you always remember that you are amazing, important, special, unique, kind, precious, incredible, adorable, wonderful, powerful, beautiful, and you are so very loved.
My wish for my courageous hens is that you be sure to read some of your favorite books, play with your favorite toys, and do some coloring. I can't wait to see you all next year.
My wish for my powerful canaries is that you be brave and strong, that you continue to listen to your parents and follow their instructions. They want to keep you safe and healthy. Even though it doesn't feel good to stay at home, we have to remember
that this will only be for a short time, and it is very important because it will keep us safe and healthy.
My wish for my sweet parrots is that you enjoy every minute with your family. Continue to be brave. Make your days fun by laughing and playing. Go to bed early so you can wake up early and be refreshed. Don't use your electronics too much and keep smiling all the time because you have a beautiful face when you smile.
The school year has ended, and soon a new school year will begin. We find it so hard to say goodbye to you, our little people. There is just something so special about each and every one of you. Remember that you can do anything that you set your mind to, and you are amazing.